all things constant, saan ka kukuha? Anong gagawin mo? No? Kung very limited yung magagawa ng excise tax, in limbo pa, wala pang konkretong proposal doon sa IBAT, tapos tuloy pa rin ang massive corruption, hindi pa rin nababawi yung mga ninakaw. Tapos, what do you do? No? For example, kung ikaw, JC, ang nasa gobyerno, anong gagawin mo? No? If you put yourself in that sordid, dark place, anong gagawin mo sa kalagitnaan ng ganitong crisis?
Sordid talaga.
Well, I will pressure Congress to pass that emergency spending bill. I think yun yung first order of business. Kasi marami namang ways para i-realign yung mga items sa budget para dito sa, just like what happened during the pandemic, di ba? And one would hope that we already learned the lessons from the pandemic, di ba? Dapat mabilis yung ganitong klaseng mga legislation to realign items from the budget and then funnel them to the response to this crisis. Pero hanggang ngayon, nasa na yung Bayanihan 3. So, I think I will push Congress to pass that. Kasi doon magmumula yung spending on many important projects like yung targeted subsidies, yung tulong sa mahihirap pagdating sa bayad sa kuryente, sa pagbili ng LPG, yung financial assistance, ayuda, and also infrastructure to protect the supply chains. Kasi I'm very much afraid, and in fact, we already saw it from the inflation data released yesterday, that food inflation will really go up. And in fact, it has already gone up. So yung fertilizer prices are going up, and then expect as the harvest season winds down, so yung presyo ng bigas ay talagang tataas yan. So ito na yung indirect effects of inflation. Hindi na so, and this will affect the poor disproportionately. And in fact, I saw this in the data that was released yesterday.
Yeah, sa data ng PSA, the bottom 30% of households are yung halos straight line yung pagtaas nila ng inflation para sa kanila. So they feel the effects of inflation much more than us. But so you're okay with realigning some items in the budget. Where do you see that we could take the money from?
Well, I think in this emergency, we can afford to kind of let go some of the important big-ticket infrastructure projects. Hindi siya kasing urgent right now. So I would focus on that. Even yung mga public works at the local level, siguro wag muna. I-prioritize muna natin itong subsidies. And I think one of the better solutions I've heard out there would be service contracting, which what the Manila government is going to do. So essentially, aarkilahin mo itong mga jeepney drivers, yung kanilang yung routes nila, i-subsidize mo. So you're hitting two birds with a stone kasi you provide public transportation, pero at the same time, you support the livelihood of our PUV drivers. So I think that needs to be scaled up nationwide.
Yes, sir. Well, it begins on April 15. Sabi ng LTFRB, they begin that service contracting nationwide April 15, although we don't have that much detail yet. Although ang sabi ni Obet Martin the other day, inunahan kasi ni Obet Martin ang pasang masa the other day. Ang sabi niya noon, nung Monday, was that their agreement daw with LTFRB, bibigyan sila ng pera ng gobyerno to keep on flying their routes. At the same time, they will still collect fares from the passengers. So, may dalawang revenue stream sila.
Yeah. Kasi dapat din natin tanungin, bakit nga ba pinapasan nitong mga drivers yung losses? Kasi one way to remedy this would be, taasan yung pamasahe. Pero of course, that will cripple public transportation. Jeepneys are very crucial mode of transportation. So I guess yung best route talaga is to subsidize the routes through service contracting.
Tsaka lesser ang leakages. Dahil sa kasalukuyan kasi, kahit marami kang gagawin ng mga ayuda, sabi mo nga, JC, maraming leakages. At lalo na ngayon, na wala namang nahuhuling big fish after nitong massive, unprecedented corruption scandal, parang it will be more of the same. It will be more of the same. So magtatapong ka pa rin ng pera.
And I think yung Pantawid Pasada as well, itong mga vouchers that you can present at the gas stations, I think it needs to be beefed up din.